2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, tow hitch, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, fog lights, heated steering wheel, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, power windows. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.